Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo V20. Today I'll show you quick gameplay from Pokémon Go. Let's start. Let me turn on screen recorder. And OK. We have to choose our age. And let's give new player. We have to access the device location to Pokémon Go in order to play. We can allow to take pictures and record videos. Okay, so as you can see, this is our hacker, and we've got some range. We can see Pokémons to catch them. Let's catch one Pokémon at the beginning. This one's tough. Let's use some birds. And we've catch him. Okay, so here we've got a map, some Poké spots, some specific menu like Pokédex, shop. Let's take our free box. Battle, but battles are currently unavailable, and items. Let's use incense to attract Pokémons to us. And here we've got all our Pokémons. What we got else? Our character menu. Our friends, and some map or something. No, it's rewards and bonuses and specials for each day. Okay, let's try to catch another Pokémon. Okay, we've caught all Pokémons in our range, so I think that's enough for the beginning of Pokémon Go. Remember to always be careful playing this game and have fun.